Duncan Smith in the Sticks, and I'm here at my new listing, my dairy in Stockton, Missouri, and I really thought it appropriate, since going over numbers on a video, I mean, everybody loves that. So I thought to start off the video, it's been like, I don't even know, 18 years since I have gotten into a 1,000-gallon tank. So if you are a state milk board inspector, this will really delight you, because who doesn't want to see a hillbilly get into a 1,000-gallon tank? And at my age, hold on, this is going to take some skill, okay? And it may go viral, hold on. This is going to be the best part of the whole video. Tara, I'm coming to join you, Elizabeth. Okay, hold on. Woo! Up! Oh! Up! Ah! Whoa! Was that really necessary? I think it was. Okay, back to the numbers. 1 minute and 13 seconds in. Boy, this is comfortable. If you make Mueller tanks in Springfield, Missouri, I can see why you're drawn to this welding. Woo! Okay. So let's say you buy the whole 200 acres at $1,000,001. Stand back! I'm coming to join you. So guess what? That's the numbers in the farming game. If you want to get into the chicken deal on 52 acres, I'd say you'll probably have, well, $2 million bucks. So get ready. $1,000,001 for 200 acres. That is good. Probably isn't too much. And after I got in this tank, I'm winded. So let's say you're going to milk 200 cows. Is that a little much? Probably so, but it's even numbers. So 200 cows, and let's just say perfect world. It rains, no dry weather. You're a good manager. You're not a rookie. And you're going to make $5 over feed per cow per day. Is that a little bit much? Probably so, but it's my numbers. I just got in a 1,000-gallon tank. Bear with me. So 200 cows, $5 a day over feed gives you $1,000 times 30 days is $30,000. Man, this hillbilly math. This is a lot easier to do in a 1,000-gallon tank than it is in real life. Disclaimer. So 30 times 12, that's $360,000 over feed to start off. And you're going to breed. Your cull rate is 40%. So you're going to need 40 heifers a year. Actually, 80 heifers a year. Sorry. Gee whiz, almost did the math wrong. You're going to need 80 heifers a year. So you're going to breed your top 80 cows to sexed semen so that your heifer percentage will come out to 80. So that leaves you 120 bottom end cows to breed to beef bulls. And currently, they tell me, get ready for this, 1,000-gallon tank talk with Duncan Smith in the Sticks. Remax Farming Home. Hold on. See that? Only the best. You got 120 calves to sell because 100% of your cows got bred back. These are my numbers, okay? If you want to argue with them, call in this tank and we'll duel it out. So you got 120 calves, and they're saying a 3-day-old calf is bringing $800, okay? That's a Jersey Charolais cross calf across America. So you gave $1,000,001. I'd rather do that than give $800 for a 3-day-old Charolais Jersey cross calf. But, sorry, I'm not a naysayer in this video. You got 120 bull calves because they all lived, and every cow got pregnant. But this is my numbers. So that's 80 and 20 is 96,000. So your bull calves make your payment, okay? And then I almost got my bride into coming up here and doing this deal, okay? Not really, too old. And so basically all you got to do is show up. Now, you're going to have 200, all of them are 4-quartered cows. So that's 800 quarters of milk staring you in the face morning and night. And, but, you know, do the math, boys and girls. Do you like this hillbilly math in a 1,000-gallon tank? This is 5 minutes you'll never get back. You're basically 400. When I did the math earlier, 30,000. You're at 360,000 overfeed income, and Joe Horner, this is for you. And then you're another fiddle-de-diddle, 96,000. Call it 100. So you're 460,000 revenue on this 200-acre dairy. So would it work? If it rains and you can take the workload, which what American can't, okay? We're talking 100% involved. So, but this deal will work as a dairy. And I guess I forgot to add in the cow cost because I was at $1 million. Was it $1.1 million for the farm? 2,500 a piece for the cows, so you're another 500,000, and so you're $1.6 million. You know, all in. Shut the door, and everything's gonna live for the first 2 years until you get your heifers going. My math again. Don't argue with me unless you're in here. Are you in here to argue? I didn't think so. So, Stockton, Missouri, 200 acres, $1.1 million. 100 acres is 849,000. Once you get here, you just will buy the other 100. The math works. I'm gonna go drive my bike around this deal, and hold on, my fat has been blocking. That is a 1,600-gallon tank. Okay, I've heard of a 1,500. I looked at the chart. It's a 1,600 gallon. Anyway, would this do work? If you were young and wanted to take a chance, you don't own it anyway. So I'd say take a chance. If I was young, Tara, let's do it. Okay, the house is nice, but it's all about the 1,000-gallon tank. We don't even care about the house. Don't worry, your wife will stay. Okay, just saying. 7 minutes 25 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go ride my bike from corner to corner on this farm. If you need to buy, sell, or trade a dairy, you need to call Duncan Smith, Remax Farm and Home, and 417-349-5630. Have a good day. Be blessed. Over and out. More math coming soon. Okay? Public school, you didn't fail me.